Ever heard of a desert library? Discover a secret hidden for centuries.
Deep in the heart of the Sahara Desert, amongst the sands and ancient landscapes, lies a cultural treasure of the Amazigh people, also known as Berbers, the Hassaniya-speaking communities to be precise. Beyond the vast dunes, they safeguard a remarkable legacy: the desert libraries of Chinguetti. Imagine ancient cities now swallowed by the desert, holding on to the knowledge of centuries. These libraries are home to thousands of rare manuscripts, some even dating back to the 8th century. The manuscripts cover a wide range of subjects, from Islamic jurisprudence, science, and poetry to rare copies of the Quran. The fascinating aspect: these texts have been preserved through generations, being passed down through families who consider themselves guardians of knowledge. Now, this barely touched part of human heritage stands as a testament to the resilience and intellectual wealth of the Amazigh people. It's a hidden world where each manuscript tells a story beyond its text, of a culture that thrives in harmony with the harsh desert surroundings. Amidst the shifting sands, the desert libraries of Chinguetti remain one of humanity's most poetic secrets.
Ever heard of edible clothing? Discover the fascinating world of Ainu attire.
Amidst the lush landscapes of Japan and Russia's Far East, the Ainu people have crafted a unique tradition that weaves nature into the very fabric of their culture, literally. Imagine wearing clothes made from plants. That's right, the Ainu community, known for their rich history and deep connection with nature, have a fascinating practice of creating attire from the fibers of the itoo, Japanese false nettle. This isn't just any clothing. It's a testament to their resourcefulness and respect for the environment. The process is both an art and a survival skill, passed down through generations. They harvest the plant, meticulously process the fibers, and then weave them into garments, ranging from everyday wear to elaborate ceremonial robes. These clothes are not only beautiful, but also carry significant cultural meanings, embodying the Ainu's spiritual beliefs and social status. Next time you dress up, imagine the stories and traditions that could be woven into your outfit, just like the Ainu's incredible plant-based garments.
Who discovered over 300 uses for peanuts?
You might think peanuts are just for eating, but George Washington Carver turned them into a science project. Born into slavery in the late 1800s, Carver became one of the most prominent scientists and inventors of his time. But here's the fun fact: he didn't just stop at eating peanuts. He discovered over 300 uses for them. From cooking oil to ink, and even as a component in cosmetics, Carver's work transformed the humble peanut into an agricultural and economic powerhouse. And it wasn't just peanuts. He also found innovative uses for sweet potatoes and soybeans. Carver's genius didn't just change how we see peanuts, but also left a lasting impact on agriculture and nutrition. So next time you snack on peanuts, remember, you're enjoying the legacy of George Washington Carver's incredible innovations.
Ever heard of underwater waterfalls?
Imagine a waterfall not on land, but under the sea. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But it exists. Meet the Maori, the indigenous people of New Zealand, or Aotearoa, as they call it, which means the land of the long white cloud. The Maori have a rich culture intertwined with nature's mysteries, one of which seems as magical as it gets: an underwater waterfall. But wait, it's not water falling under the sea, it's an optical illusion. Located near Mauritius, this phenomenon is caused by the movement of sand and silt under the ocean currents, creating the appearance of a waterfall deep under the sea. The Maori, with their deep connection to the sea, have countless stories and legends that speak to the natural wonders of the world. This underwater waterfall is a reminder of the hidden beauties of our planet, seen through the lens of those who've lived in harmony with nature for centuries.
Have you heard of the briefcase dragon of France?
In the heart of Paris, hidden among the hustle and bustle of daily life, there's a tale that few know. Legend says that a small, mysterious dragon resides not in a cave, not in the deep forest, but in an antique briefcase found in the legendary flea markets. This dragon, unlike its ferocious cousins, doesn't breathe fire or hoard gold. Instead, it protects a treasure of a different sort: the secrets and stories of the city itself. It is said that at night, this dragon slips out of its compact home to to wander the lamplit streets, listening to the desires and dreams of the Parisians. Those lucky enough to catch a glimpse of it are blessed with inspiration and creativity. But as soon as dawn breaks, the briefcase dragon vanishes, leaving no trace behind, except for a faint glimmer in the air, like the last note of a beautiful song.
Did you know sounds can paint? Meet the sound wave artist.
Imagine painting, but instead of using brushes, you use sounds. Yes, that's a thing. Meet Martin Waugh, a little-known genius who creates liquid sculptures using sound waves. Picture this. Martin sets up his camera and water. When a sound hits the water, it creates a unique splash or wave. At that exact moment, Martin captures the water's shape with his camera. The result? Stunning photographs that look like sculptures. Each sound gives a different shape. It's like the water is dancing to the music. Martin's work shows us that sound is not just something we hear, it's something we can see and feel in a whole new way. Next time you listen to your favorite song, imagine what kind of sculpture it would create.
Ever heard of the man who felt the universe's heat?
Let's talk about a man not many know, but who touched the stars in his own unique way. Meet Herbert Hoover, but not the president you're thinking of. This Herbert was a space enthusiast and an engineer with a dream bigger than the sky. In the 1930s, while everyone was looking up at the stars, Herbert was busy feeling them. Yes, you heard that right. Using a specially designed thermal suit, Herbert aimed to detect the faint warmth of starlight. At a time when space travel was just a fantasy, he wanted to embrace the cosmos in the most literal sense possible. Herbert's quirky experiment didn't just chase the chill of the night away, it warmed him to the possibility of human connection with the vast universe. Though his invention didn't revolutionize space science, Herbert's story is a tale of passion and a testament to dreaming big, no matter how unreachable the stars seem.
Ever heard of Italy's singing ghost? Uncover the melodic mystery.
Nestled in the heart of Italy, there's a small, ancient village that harbors a secret as enchanting as it is eerie. The legend of the singing ghost of Venice. For centuries, locals and visitors alike have whispered tales of a ghostly figure whose melancholy melodies echo through the misty canals at night. According to legend, this spectral presence is the spirit of a heartbroken singer, cursed to roam the waterways and serenade the moon with her haunting arias until she finds her lost love. Despite numerous attempts to uncover the truth, the identity of the ghost and the origins of the legend remain shrouded in mystery, making it one of Italy's most captivating and unresolved enigmas. Is it merely a folktale, or is there something more to the phantom opera echoing in the Venetian night?
Ever heard of Peru's whispering mummies? Discover the eerie legend.
In the heart of Peru, hidden deep within its ancient crypts, lies a mystery that has puzzled historians and locals alike: the whispering mummies of Chauchilla Cemetery. According to the tales passed down through generations, these mummies are not just remnants of the past. They're guardians of ancient secrets, communicating with each other through inaudible whispers that carry through the arid desert nights. Legend has it that these whispers can be heard by those who possess a pure heart and true intent, guiding them towards hidden treasures or offering warnings about future calamities. The mummies, perfectly preserved in their dry, sandy graves, wear long, dark hair and are clothed in remnants of their ceremonial attire, creating an eerie yet fascinating sight. Skeptics argue that the whispers are merely the sounds of the wind passing through the crypts, but believers swear that the mummies share with them the wisdom of ancient civilizations. As curious souls venture into the cemetery with the hope of hearing the mysterious whispers, they also pay respect to the ancient culture that believed in keeping their dead close, as protectors and advisors from the beyond.
What's hiding in the Nevada desert? You won't believe this.
Deep in the Nevada desert, far beyond the neon lights of Las Vegas, lies a mystery as captivating as it is secretive. Known as the Area 51, this highly classified United States Air Force facility has been the center of numerous conspiracy theories and wild speculation. What makes Area 51 stand out isn't just its stringent security or the government's reluctance to share details. It's the tales of alien spacecraft and extraterrestrial technology that have captured the world's imagination. Whispers of recovered UFOs and alien autopsies conducted in its hidden depths have turned Area 51 into a symbol of the unknown. While the U.S. government only acknowledged its existence in 2013, declassified documents have shed some light on its actual purpose, testing spy planes during the Cold War. Yet, the truth remains as elusive and hidden as the base itself, buried under layers of secrecy and speculation. Whether fact or fiction, the stories of Area 51 remind us that sometimes reality is stranger than we dare to believe.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.